What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from the Deberoo suite, and in this video we are going to create a push notification campaign using MegaPu.sh. So let's dive in.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, here we are inside the Deberoo suite landing page builder because I already prepared our landing page for the campaign that we are going to create today. And the offer that we are going to promote with today's campaign is going to be an offer from Affiliates, and it's this one right here, the South Beach Diet. Alright, so the world famous South Beach Diet is back and offering 40% off for all new diet plans. Users get 40% off plus 1 week free plus FedEx shipping free. So the South Beach Diet offers a revolutionary weight loss solution created by the world-renowned cardiologist Dr. Agatsson. Groundbreaking, life-changing, proven. Alright, so this is the offer that we're going to focus on today, and like I said, I already create a landing page, which is awesome. So we are going to create our ads based on the landing page that we have created. So Dr. Agatsson, amazed after finding revolutionary weight loss solution. Dr. Agatsson has been working on a solution to obesity for years. He figured there has to be an easier way without unrealistic diets and intense workouts. When he first introduced his remedy to the obesity, let's do obese Emily. He was shocked at the results. After just 1 week, Emily lost 13 pounds. Do you want to learn how Dr. Agatsson's remedy can help you? Check out the video in which he explains it all. Alright, so this is the VSL lander in the Deberoo suite. You can find it in the template list. And as you can see, I made some adjustments to it, of course, to make it appropriate for this specific offer. I also uploaded a different image right here. So let's go inside of MegaPu.sh and let's create our campaign. So inside of MegaPu.sh, we are going to click on Push Campaigns and we're going to click on New Campaign. Alright, so first up, the country, and we are only going to run this in the United States, since that's the only, whoops, now I deselected United States. Let's deselect all, and then right here, perfect. So the United States is the only country for which this offer is made. Alright, device type, we're going to keep that on mobile. And the standard link is fine. So right here, you want to paste your campaign URL. In this case, I'm just going to paste my landing page URL as an example. But please do not do this yourself. Please just set up the Deberoo Suite tracker. And then as soon as you have set up your campaign in the Deberoo Suite tracker, you will receive your campaign URL. And that's the URL that you want to use and paste in right here. Alright, then we have the title, the message, the image, and the icon. So let's actually start out with an icon. So the icon is going to be 192 by 192 right here. Right? Yeah, 192 by 192. So let's start with that. So we want something related to health, right? Healthy apple, for example, or something. Apple is always gives everybody a feeling of being healthy. Let's see. There's a huge watermark on top of that. Ooh, this might be a good one. It's very, very simple, this one, but I think it's good. But this one is better. Just a little bit more going on in the image. Alright, let's save this image. And then we're going to upload it into Canva. And we're going to make full use of it. Is that a watermark? That is a watermark. I'm sorry guys, we cannot use this one. I did like that. That's too bad. What else do we have? Alright. Ooh, this one is good as well. I hope I can crop it the right way. Let's save this because I don't want that text on there. That text is too much. Let's see what we can do, what we can make out of it. A little bit bigger. That looks pretty okay. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's see. I always like to play around with these buttons right here. And there's no such thing that I know what I'm doing. I'm just playing around to see what looks best. Yeah, I think that's good. Maybe just a little bit more saturation. All right. I think this will do. Let's download this. And then we have our logo. So let's drop it in there. That looks good. Apply it. And look at that. We have our logo in the corner of the push message. So now it's time to add a image. So the image is going to be 492 by 329. 492 by 329. All right. So now that we have the dimensions, let's take a look at a nice picture that we want to use. So it's not going to be very big, so I think that a before and after is going to be too small to really notice it. Weight loss. This is a good picture though. Let's see. Yeah, I think these are not going to work for this specific dimensions just because the images are too small, basically. Let's take another look at the landing page. So this picture, yeah, we could do a picture of a doctor. That's actually not a bad idea to keep that same kind of flow in the complete, well, keep the coherency basically in the complete flow. So doctor... doctor weight loss. There's not too much going on in this picture, which is why I don't really like it. Let's see what else we have. So the thing is with pictures and doctors and hospitals, that kind of stuff, it's a lot of white. Look at all these light colors in this picture. It's a lot of white. So it doesn't really pop. You want to create that feeling that it pops out. But you know what? I think we're just going to use this image that I also used for the landing page because I quite like it. So let's just use that. And usually I don't do it that often that I use the same image on my landing page as on my ads. Usually I like to mix and match them a bit, but in this case I think it's a good image and I think it works with the flow that we have set. So we can also set the border. So I'm going to set the border on pretty deep width so that the border is a little bit thicker. And we're going to keep the black border, although red might pop more. Sure, let's do red. Let's try it out. So we can also split test these, right? So you can check out the borders and try to do something else with it as well. All right, then let's do the title. Doctor stunned after weight loss. That's not gonna fit. Doctor stunned by weight loss. All right, and the message is gonna be result unbelievable. No, Emily. She was 39, right? Yep, She was 39. Emily, 39, lost 13 pounds in a week. In a week without diets. Without diets. Sure, that works. And then right here we can give our campaign a name. So let's call it USA. And what is the name of the offer again? South Beach Diets. South Beach Diets. Awesome. Awesome. All right. Cool. So then right here we have the CPC. So right now it's at 2 cents. But we can increase that, decrease that, but for now that's fine. And blocked lists. So we can add some blocked lists if you want. Let's get a push example. Dr. stunned by weight loss. Emily, 39, lost 13 pounds in a week without diet. Awesome. Cool. Let's click on it. Alright, so that's all good. That's all set. And then we can just simply click on create. And then we're all set. Then you have created your campaigns. I recommend to add some multiple creatives to split test your images, split test your headlines, and see what's working and what not. And then as soon as you gather some data, you'll be able to tell what is working for this specific campaign and what is not working for this specific campaign, so that we can optimize it and start scaling it and earn some money. So that's going to be it for this one, but no worries because I will catch you next time. And until then, peace out.
If you're an affiliate marketer, listen up. How about a free course on Facebook, native, or push advertising? Sounds pretty good, right? For a limited time only, the Deberoo Suite affiliate marketing platform by Colin Dice is offering a free course for every new sign-up. And that's not all. You can now have a look inside the platform, explore the tracking software, landing page builder, and cash flow manager before joining. You've literally got nothing to lose. Click the link in the description to create your free demo account and see what the most powerful affiliate marketing platform has to offer.